Yep. So this is going forward to the side. As fast as you can go to the side. Then go backwards. And then finish to the side. Make sure you're really rotating through your shoulders, keeping the shoulders back and down, but really moving through your shoulders, keeping your feet anchored and your hips nice and mobile. So draw circles clockwise and counterclockwise around your head. Make sure you're moving through your shoulders, anchoring yourself to the floor, strong core. So anchor yourself into the floor, bend your hips, absorb through your core. Good. This is position 2, position 3, and then the last position. As fast as you can. Wide stance box score. The emphasis here is to ensure that you're pushing your hips back and allowing your shoulders to come forward, keeping your core locked, your lumbar locked. Okay? Please squat barefoot. Please make sure you use a real wide stance where your heels are at least wider than your shoulders. Make sure you dig into the ground with your big toe as you're squatting down. And just make sure that you have that good trunk angle where the hips will go back and the shoulders come forward. Elbows nice and high behind you to keep the bar in place. You can adjust the bands so they're in a triangle formation. If you don't have racks where you can adjust the bands to, you can use 2 dumbbells, heavily weighted dumbbells, and loop the bands around the dumbbells to create the triangle. Okay, so this is protraction, retraction. You're just moving through your shoulder blades. Notice your feet are up onto a plate in order to bring your body a little bit flatter for when you do the weighted push-up, where you're putting 25% of your body weight onto your shoulders. Okay, so then I'll put have the weight rest on your shoulders there, go down, hand release, and push up. Keep their body nice and flat. Push up. Our lateral band resisted step-ups. So you can fasten the bands using dumbbells as you see here. It's the same thing you can do if you don't have racks that accommodate bands when you're squatting. You set up 2 dumbbells like this. You have the band go across the body. Okay, absorb through your core. As you step up, push through the bench. Step up nice and strong, and really resist as you lower yourself down. Okay, we can load this further by grabbing onto a dumbbell or a kettlebell. You grab onto it with a hand of the side of the leg you're stepping up with. And again, lower yourself slowly, control, and step up. Horizontal pull-ups with your feet up on the box. Make sure your body stays nice and flat. Pull your chest up to the bar. Keep your head back. These are Nordic Hamstring Curls. If you don't have a machine like this, you can use anything that you can secure your feet to. Use a band to assist you to enable you to go out for longer, farther range of motion. All right, make sure your glutes are nice and tight as you start to lean out and away. Keep the glutes nice and tight and try to go out as far as you possibly can and curl as strongly as you can with your hamstrings back to the start position. Lunge lift. Make sure your legs are set up so that they're aligned with your shoulder. Front foot off the front shoulder, back foot off of your, in this case, Albert's right shoulder. All right. Use a rope. Be mobile through your shoulders. Pull and rotate from one side to the next without leaning through your core or bending through your core. Okay, use your lower body and really lock in to ensure that your legs are nice and strong and you're not moving or loose at all through your legs.